Welcome, in front of me I have REALME Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to add the workout to the workout menu on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the Chrome button. After you wake up the screen, press the Chrome button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu and look for the workout icon and tap on it. Here, scroll through the list, find the option called Add Sport. Now scroll through the list of categories and find the category of the workout you want to add. For example, maybe water sports. And then find the workout you like to select. Check it, and once you check it, you can also check multiple. But as you can see, there's a message up to 20 workouts. Anyway, once you check the workouts, tap on the plus button, and the workout will appear right here in the menu. If you want to remove the workout, for example, you want to add different workouts, but you don't want the ones that are already on the list, you can tap on Hide Sport, find the workout you want to hide, and once you select it, you can then tap on the check mark and tap on the check mark to confirm, and the workout will disappear from the list. And that's how you add the workout to the workout list on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.